Hello beautiful viewers, welcome again to another SMC tutorial, and in today's video we will be discussing how to place trades on futures. Now the futures market is a derivative market where you can trade the price actions of your favorite coins. So you are either predicting that the coin is going to long, meaning the price is going to go up, or you are predicting a short, which means the price is going to come down. Now, if anything goes against any of these predictions, one is at the dilemma of getting actually liquidated of your entire margin. And margin in this sense means your capital that you use to trade. So having understood all of this, let's get right into Binance Futures trading. Alright, to get started, you launch your Binance app, and once you're on your Binance app, you should be on your home screen like this, and then down below we have all of the navigation features there, and as usual we've explained what wallets are and all of that. So we want to go into futures, so you just click on futures, and if you are just launching this for the first time, it's going to tell you that the futures market is very risky and you have the risk of liquidating your entire portfolio or also making good profits. And that's just a routine warning that Binance gives to all of its first-time users. And then you might need to go through some questionnaires to show that you really want to go into this very risky endeavor. So Binance won't be held liable for any loss of assets. So after doing all of that, you should see your homepage like this. So we are going to be explaining what all of the features on this page means, and then we are going to show you how you could place your trades, whether it's long or short trades. Alright, so the first thing we're going to be explaining is the top left, which says USDSM. So that simply stands for US dollar stable margin. So if you have USDT, BUSD transferred to your futures wallet, it is a US dollar stable margin. Now the second one we have is the coin M, which is the coin margin. So it's blockchain coins, Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, other different blockchain coins that we have. And then the next options is actually new, and this is where you trade options trading, for those who are familiar with options trading. And then the next we have the leaderboard. This shows top futures traders and their weekly ROIs, like you can see all here, both the USD stable margin traders and the coin margin traders. You can see them there. You see the popular grid strategy, you can see all of that. You have the hot chat room, futures chat room, strategy training chat room, social trading chat room, and etc. So that's all you have on the top there. And then the next feature we're going to be explaining is the double-sided arrow, and if you click that, you can go through all your favorite traded pairs, or you can click all to show you all of the pairs, and you can see all the perpetual pairs here. So perpetual simply means that you are actually not the owner of these coins. You're not buying them on spot, you're just trading their perpetual prices, either up or down. So you can see the rest of them. If you scroll down, you can see them, and then you can actually filter this. You have last price there, you have 24-hour change. So if you click the last price, it will filter it. If you click it again, it filters back. If you click 24-hour change, it will show you the highest loser, and if you click on this, it shows you the highest gainers. So that's how you can actually sort through. Then next you can go to perpetual. This shows you all the perpetual coins. Then delivery, then you have BUSD perpetual, and then you have zones. So the most common places to acquaint yourself with is just the perpetual market. And then if you have any favorite coin you love to trade, you can add them to your favorites and they'll all appear in your favorites. Even in that same place, we have a little icon up there that looks like some boxes up there. So if you click on it, it shows you the heat map of the top 30 coins. So this is the heat map. You understand, this is based on trading volume and price and percentage increase or decrease. So you can see the heat map. You can see the ones that are doing very well are in green, and the ones that are doing very bad are in red. And you can change this for also coin margin, and you can also filter the mode here and change it to 24 hours change. If I click on that, you can see the difference now. So this is the top 30, within the last 24 hours. Alright, so next we have this little icon just beside the plus and division equals to, and that is to show you the chart. So let's go back and let me select, let's take for example BTC. So let me search for BTC / USDT perpetual. Yes, that's it down there. So now if you want to trade BTC and you want to look at the chart, you just click on those two candlesticks there, and it launches the price for you. So here you can actually see the price of BTC, the percentage increase or decrease there. You can actually see the 24 hours high, you can see the 24-hour volume on the right hand side, you can see the 24-hour low, and you can see the 24-hour trading volume in USDT. So if you are good with charts, you can play around all the different time frames on the chart, the 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, 1 day, or you click on more and select from other different time frames here. So this is just for the chart. So we go back, and then we have the plus equals to here. So if you click on that, that's just a calculator sign. Now this is used to calculate your PNL. You can actually calculate PNL before you place trades. You can calculate your target price, you can calculate your liquidation price, max open price, and etc. You can see that it is very helpful. We can go back, and next icon there is the 3 dotted, just by the right there, the 3 dotted icons, and here it brings down a lot of other features that exist within the futures trading platform. So you can go around all of this at your spare time and just get used to it. You can make your preferences, history, chat room, bonuses. You can see a whole lot of things you can do here. So that's what that does. We can X that out, and then we have cross here, and if you click on that, this is where you can set your margin mode, cross or isolated. Now cross simply means that when you go into a trade, you are willing to risk your entire portfolio on that trade. So what does that mean? If I have $100 and I'm on cross, it means that if I place a trade with $20, I am allowing the market to utilize my entire $100 even if I am on a $20 trade. And if I am on an isolated trade and I have a $100 portfolio and I use just $20 to place that trade, I'm only telling the market to utilize just that $20, make it an isolated $20. If the price is going against me, please do not touch the rest of my funds to keep me in that trade. You can actually just liquidate only that $20 and exit me from the trade. So that's just what cross and isolated simply means. So next we have the leverage bar, and this is where you can adjust your leverage. You can slide all the way to 1x or as much as 125x. So please avoid using high leverages if you do not understand how to use leverages. It's always advised to use very low leverages or no leverage at all. It depends on how conversant you are with leveraging. Next we have the limits and market. So if you click on limit, you can set post only market, stop limit, stop market, trailing stop, and TWAP. So normally people use the limit or the market. So this is when you want to just enter the trade immediately. This is where you want to set a particular price, and you can also set your take profits / stop loss, or you can also set your reduce only. So reduce only order serves to strictly reduce your open positions, right? So that's what that means there. And down below here we have open orders. So if you have any open order, it's going to show around here. And then next we have position. If you have opened any existing positions that are running, it's also going to show here. Then next we have this small icon down here that looks like a certificate. So if you click on it, it shows your open order histories, trade history, transaction history, funding fee, and your cross collateral. So this is everything that has to do with, I think, the basic features here on the futures trading portfolio of the Binance exchange. So all I just did is to explain the features that exist here so that you know what each of them mean very briefly. So in our next video, we're going to be discussing how to fund your futures wallet and how to actually place trades, either long or short. So stay tuned for our next videos, and do well to play around your futures and get acquainted with them, so that in the next video you'd know how to actually place trades for yourself. So thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.